Ask Weather AI is a website that gives you free weather forecasts and also allows you to simply use natural language to ask what weather conditions will be like in different sort of areas. Now, this can be useful for a wide variety of reasons, like, for example, if you're like myself and you travel a lot around the world. If this is your first time here, my name is Jay, and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here. First, I'm going to start off with good old London, where I grew up. As you can probably tell by my accent, we can see here we've got the weather, and let's say I want to say I'm going to New York next week. How should I pack? Right? We can run that prompt, and we can see we've got this pop up here. And cool, so it's saying pack for variable weather in New York next week. You'll likely see highs in the mid 70s to mid 80s Fahrenheit, with lows ranging from the mid 60s to 70s. So I think this is a really useful sort of evolution of weather forecasting. Of course, it's something very standard, very ubiquitous, but instead of having to, go onto a website, scroll through and, actually try and find the specific dates, you'll be somewhere so you know what to pack, how to dress, all this sort of like excess decision making. You can instead just get a large language model, pulling in from a bunch of data sources to give you a simple output in plain natural language. So we've got a section here. So it said, consider bringing lightweight clothing for warmer days, layers for cooler evenings, waterproof gear, or an umbrella for potential rain showers. Check the hourly forecast for the full picture. You can click here to check the hourly forecast. I'm going to do that. Oh yeah, this one is still for London, but in any case, you can simply navigate to New York or anywhere in the world really, and then you can start figuring out what the weather would be like on a much more granular basis. So yeah, definitely check this out if you think it would be useful for you.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompt, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
I've been using it quite a while now, as I'm going to different places, and it's been quite useful, so I never get caught in the rain or caught, we're having a whole bunch of layers when it's really sunny outside. So definitely check this out if you think it would be useful for you.